Are you look best right-angle drills? Right-angle drills are indispensable tools for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering the ability to work in tight spaces where traditional drills cannot reach. Whether you're working on cabinetry, plumbing, or automotive repairs, these tools provide precision and power in compact designs. For this comparison, we tested 5 popular products. DeWalt Impact Ready 1.5 inches right. The DeWalt DW120 is an ultra-compact right-angle attachment designed for impact drivers and drill drivers. With a 1.5 inches front-to-back design, it excels in accessibility for tight spaces. The magnetic fastener retention system ensures secure handling of screws and bolts, making it ideal for light-duty applications. Its metal gear case adds durability, while its compatibility with 1/4 inch hex drivers ensures versatility. While the DWAR120 is not a standalone drill, it shines as an attachment for those who already own impact drivers. Its 1200 RPM speed is sufficient for most light product. Aoben cordless electric ratchet wrench set. The Aoben cordless electric ratchet wrench is a versatile tool that combines a right-angle design with ratcheting functionality. Powered by a 12-volt motor, it delivers 40 foot-pounds of torque and a variable speed of up to 280 RPM. The LED lighting feature adds convenience in low-light environments, and the included two 2,000 mAh batteries ensure extended runtime. The kit also includes accessories like sockets, an extension bar, and a carry case. Ideal for automotive and mechanical work, the Aoben ratchet wrench offers sufficient torque for fastening and loosening bolts in tight spaces. While it performs well in these scenarios. Product 3. DeWalt DCD740C1 Right-Angle Drill Kit. The DeWalt DCD740C1 is a premium right-angle drill that boasts dual speed ranges, 0 to 650, 0 to 2000 RPM, offering flexibility for various applications. Its compact 4.0-inch front-to-back length allows users to access tight spaces with ease. The multi-grip trigger enhances comfort and control, while the 3/8-inch ratcheting chuck secures bits firmly. The kit includes a 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, charger, and a durable carrying case. Designed for professionals, the DCD740C1 delivers excellent performance in woodworking, metal drilling, and fastening. Product Ryobi 1 Plus HP 18V Brushless Cordless Compact 3/8 in. The Ryobi 1 Plus HP right-angle drill features a brushless motor that provides longer runtime, improved power, and durability. With torque rated at 350-inch loads and a variable speed motor, 0 to 450, 0 to 1700 RPM, it handles a wide range of drilling and fastening tasks. Its compact design and lightweight build, 2.87 pounds, make it suitable for overhead applications and tight spaces. Ryobi's brushless technology ensures efficiency and a longer motor lifespan, making this drill an excellent choice for DIYers and occasional users. While it delivers solid performance, the tool only. Product 5. Milwaukee 2807-20 M18 Fuel Hole. The Milwaukee 2807-20 M18 Fuel Hole Hog is a premium cordless right-angle drill designed for heavy-duty applications. Its brushless motor delivers an impressive 1,200 foot-pounds of torque and a maximum speed of 1,500 RPM. The half-inch chuck accommodates larger bits, making it ideal for wood and metal drilling. Its ergonomic design and cordless functionality enhance mobility and ease of use. This drill is a powerhouse, built for professionals tackling demanding projects. Its high torque and speed make it perfect for framing, plumbing, and electrical.